You can make professional logos, eye-catching thumbnails, and original art completely free using AI, even with zero design skill. And with the right tools, you can use them commercially. Here's how. Welcome to AI Edge Lab Designers, and stock photos cost a fortune. Free AI image tools replace a huge chunk of that. Let's break down the tools and how to actually get good results. First, the tools. There are several genuinely free image generators, like Microsoft's Image Creator, Leonardo, Canva's built-in AI, and Google's tools. Pick one, type a description, and it draws it. Now the part most people get wrong, the description. Don't just say a logo. Say what's in it, the style, the colors, the mood, and the background. The more specific you are, the better it looks. Use it 1. Logos and branding. Generate 10 variations of an idea. Pick the one you love, then ask it to refine that one. You'll have a clean, original mark in minutes. Use it 2. Thumbnails and social content. Bold, high-contrast images that stop the scroll. Describe the feeling you want, dramatic, fun, premium, and let it create options. Use it 3. Product and marketing images. Small business owners can place a product in a beautiful scene or create clean promo graphics without ever hiring a photographer. One known weakness. Most image AI is bad at spelling text inside the image. So either use a tool that's built for text or just add your words yourself afterwards in a free editor like Canva. Now the honest catch, and it's important. Check the usage rights for each tool before you sell anything, and never copy a real brand's logo or a real person's face. Read the commercial terms. And here's the money angle. People sell AI-made logos, thumbnails, and printables as a service or on marketplaces. It's a real, low-cost side income if you put in the taste and the effort. Quick win. Take a plain photo of something you own, upload it, and ask AI to place it in a nicer scene or restyle it. You'll instantly see how powerful and how free this can be. Create for free, with no limits but your imagination. If this helped, follow AI Edge Lab. We turn AI into your money and your time every week. See you in the next one.